I'm Nick, and welcome back to my shop. We all want to be better woodworkers, and the best way to do that is through practice. What I'm doing is 7 projects in 7 days. For a week, every day I'm in the shop turning. I've already made a platter, a handle, and a pen, and today I do not have much time to turn, so I'm going to do some quick skill building exercises. And the best way to do that is by turning a top. Yes, the kids' toy, where you take a top, you spin it. They're fun to play with for adults and kids alike. I actually turn these for demonstrations where I'm at like a crafts fair or something, and I can show off what wood turning is, but also at the same time I can make toys for kids. It's a win-win. So let's get started. For top turning, maple is probably my #1 wood to use. It's an easy wood to turn. You can also decorate it, and it takes like dye and ink very well. So I start out with a bigger blank like this because I can get 2 tops out of here and have enough left over for it to be held into the chuck. I don't know why I mark centers on this, because when you throw it in the chuck, the centers don't matter anymore. But I did. That's just a habit I have. Making this top part a little fancy. You don't need to sand this at all if you're just demonstrating, but because it's for the video, I'm going to make it a little extra nice and give it some sanding. Just going to get my tool rest close, and I have a texturing tool here with the ball tip. I'm going to just take it and run it back. And there's a texture in the wood now. But the cool thing is I have a bag of Sharpies. And all I'm going to do is color this in. And now I have a really cool texture on here. So I just need to part it off. Here I could actually just keep cutting it till it comes off and catch it. Or I can use the saw to make my knife a little bit easier. Quick sand on each side. Then you find yourself a flat surface. And go play with your top. This is a good one. It's going for a while. This project turned out great. In all, it took me about 5 minutes to make, which is great for a day like today. Actually, I have enough time to turn one more. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.